Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of sound on Telegram, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram and you can click. As you see in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. If you'll find here updates, you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, and subscribe soon.